Can I get ITVX on Panasonic TV? ITVX is available on many Panasonic Smart TVs, but its availability depends on the TV model and operating system. Panasonic TVs running My Home Screen OS 2017 or later models, or Android TV support ITVX, while older models may require an external streaming device or alternative methods to access the service. 1. Checking if your Panasonic Smart TV supports ITVX. To check if your Panasonic TV supports ITVX, press the Home button on your remote. Navigate to the Apps section or Panasonic App Store. Search for ITVX in the available apps. If ITVX appears, your TV supports it. If not, you will need an alternative method to watch. 2. Installing ITVX on a supported Panasonic TV. If your Panasonic Smart TV is compatible, follow these steps to install ITVX. Press the Home button on your remote. Open the Apps section or Panasonic App Store. Use the search bar to find ITVX. Select the app and click Install. Open the app, sign in if required, and start watching. 3. Using an external streaming device for ITVX. If ITVX is not available on your Panasonic Smart TV, you can use an external streaming device such as Amazon Fire Stick, Roku Stick, Apple TV, Google Chromecast, gaming consoles like PlayStation or Xbox. Connect the device to your Panasonic TV, install the ITVX app, and log in to start streaming. 4th, casting ITVX from a mobile device. If your Panasonic Smart TV does not support ITVX directly, you can cast or screen mirror from a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Ensure your TV and mobile device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, then open the ITVX app on your phone. Tap the cast icon for Chromecast or use screen mirroring for compatible Panasonic TVs. Select your Panasonic TV and the content will play on your screen. If your Panasonic Smart TV is compatible, you can install and stream ITVX directly. If not, using an external device or casting option allows you to watch ITVX on your TV. Checking your TV's compatibility ensures you can enjoy ITVX content seamlessly.